You can order the ABS sensor used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. Lift the front of your vehicle. We strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely before carrying out this step. Place the vehicle on the jack stands. In order to change the front ABS sensor on your vehicle, you will need to take off the wheels to have full access. Don't forget to put the wheels under the vehicle. It is now necessary to remove the caliper assembly. Attach a wire to the upper control arm of the vehicle in order to maintain the assembly when it is removed. Then, using a ratchet and a 21mm socket, unscrew the 2 screws from the caliper mount. For more information, we recommend watching our video, How to Replace the Front Brake Discs and Brake Pads Ram 1500. Then, attach the assembly to the iron wire previously installed. Using a flathead screwdriver, pull the retainer away from the disc so you can unscrew it. Then, remove the disc. This will allow you to see the ABS sensor.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
It's common for the components being removed to be seized up, so don't hesitate to brush them and to use penetrating oil to make removal easier. Using a ratchet and a 5mm Allen socket, unscrew the ABS sensor retaining screw. Then, remove the sensor by jiggling it back and forth. Then, using a flathead screwdriver, unclip all the retaining clips for the ABS sensor cable starting from the wheel knuckle. Next, unclip the ABS sensor cable retaining clip behind the mudguard. Disconnect the connector by pushing on the red plastic tab, then prying the tab and pulling it. Remove the cable from the last clip. You can now move the cable aside. Don't hesitate to spray contact cleaner on the connectors. You can order the ABS sensor used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new cable. Put the ABS sensor cable back in place and clip it into its upper slot. Then, reconnect it. Clip the ABS sensor connector back inside the mudguard.
If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need.
Then, clip the sensor into its various slots. Thread the sensor through the opening in the brake backing plate. Insert the sensor into its slot. Then, retighten the retaining screw. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Reinstall the brake disc. Then, put the retainer back in place. You can now reinstall the caliper assembly and screw it back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Don't forget to remove the cable that you used to hold the caliper assembly together. Then, you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation complete.